Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue. Our phone number is 3848-1382. Today we have a Mazda BT-50 2019 model, stock number 4517. This shape runs from 10th month 2011 and is still the current shape. This vehicle has a 3.2 litre P5AT 5-cylinder turbocharged engine backed by a 4-drive automatic transmission. Here's the 5-cylinder P5AT engine. This vehicle had sustained damage right around the car. Left hand side, mirror, wheel, both doors damaged. This vehicle has a flexi-glass canopy, has no keys. Has sustained some damage in the accident, but give our sales team a call on 0738481382. We can send through some photos and give you a pricing on it. Here we have the tailgate. Is insurance quality. Comes complete with the garnishes, which are the tail light, which are the lights on the tailgate. Vehicle is fitted with a factory tow bar. Comes complete with your wiring, plugs, loom, module, and bolts. Right hand upper tail light. Right hand lower tail light. Here's the driver's side rear door, is in good insurance quality. Right hand front door, damaged in the accident. This vehicle comes out with the factory black cloth interior. Here's the console lid, black vinyl console, automatic gear stick. Is fitted with factory sat nav unit. There is the left hand sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, right hand sun visor. This is Dean from Total Parts Plus. Thank you for watching this video.